What's up YouTube, this is Raf from Elite Bikes. Today we've got our customer Ryan coming in with his ZH2. Coming in for a tyre replacement, so I've decided to make a quick video for you guys to watch it and enjoy it. He's actually offered to do a burnout for us on his whole set of tyres. So we hope you watch it and you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We are making a video of an H2 burnout. Go. You can go. That sounds awesome, man. Sounds fucking awesome. Let's do a quick walk around this beast. Yeah, I think we're ready to rock and roll. Let's go for it. Don't know how that's gonna come out, but let's go for it. I'm still recording, I'm just leaving a little video. Just... You want me to do it here, burn that here? Just shift it back a little. Just, yeah, there. Got a customer coming. Yeah. Just test it first. Right, here we go. Thank you for that. We really appreciate it. ZH2 Supercharged. How did that feel? Comfortable? All good? Didn't slip? Yeah? Yeah. It looked awesome though. There's a lot of fog in our shop at the moment. What do you think? You liked it? Yeah? So this is where the burnout was done. Everything is done and dusted now. If you require any motorcycle maintenance, just come to Elite Bikes, all right? Until the next one.